Alright, so let's install it. Now I'm going to assume you actually have Anaconda already installed. If you don't, check out the video I have at the corner. So we've opened the Anaconda prompt. Then here we're going to type in pip3 install PySide6. Then click enter. So when you do that, the packages will actually start installing. So you're going to wait until all the packages have actually installed successfully. Alright, so there it has actually installed. So now it's complete, so you can now close this. So now that we've done that, we can now go back to our start and we can again open our Anaconda. Then we're going to go inside there, and then we're going to go to the Anaconda navigator this time. So inside here we're going to use it to open the Visual Studio Code. The reason we do that is so that we can actually open it within the Python environment directly. Alright, so now we can create a new folder. So we're going to call this folder, I've actually placed it in my desktop, we're going to call it my first GUI. So just type in my first GUI, then click enter. So we select that folder and click enter. Now inside that folder we're going to select it, then we're going to create a Python file inside that folder. So just click yes to these settings. Then we're going to go back here, then we're going to actually create a folder within that. We're going to create a file within that folder. We're going to call it interface.py. Then we can click enter, then create file. Now that we have that, we can now start using our PySide plugin. So we're going to type in from, so we're going to do some import. So we're going to first type PySide6.q widgets, and then we're going to import. So we're going to import the Q application, comma, then we're also going to import the Q widget. Alright, so next we're actually going to import sys, and this actually allows us to actually read from command line. So next let's create a variable. The variable is app, which shall be equal to, so we're going to make it equal to Q application. Alright, so now this is going to be very key. So just type it the way I've actually typed it inside actually works. So now next let's create a window. So this is the window that will actually create the form. Then we're actually going to show it from here. So now just type in window is equal to Q widget, then brackets, then we're actually going to show that window.show. And then lastly we're actually going to execute our application. So app.execute, close with bracket, and there we go. So next we're actually going to open our terminal. Alright, so here we go. So this is our terminal. So we're going to run the Python file, and when you do that, the file, the GUI file, should actually launch directly, and here we go. So this shows us that our PySide is actually working correctly. So this is it. So there are different ways we're going to open this. So let's actually close this. Let me show you another way of actually opening it instead of running. So you may just want to have this for knowledge. So just type in Python, then we're going to type in the name of the file, interface.py, and then we click enter. Then you do that, it should also launch. So this is another way we can actually do it. So this is proof that PySide6 is actually working well. If this video really helped you, feel free to give the video a thumbs up, and then if you're new to this channel, I encourage you to join the community by subscribing. Then hit that notification bell so that you get updated every single time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.